first tell you about what I've been doing. So I pulled all the honey, and then I had an idea, because I have that 10 days to 2 weeks that I can have the bees doing something, not making me honey, and I don't quite need to push extremely hard towards winter preparation, feeding. So what I did is I put all second boxes on with queen excluders on all the strong ones, with frames that have nothing on them, so like undrawn comb, undrawn foundation, with hope that they'll put something in it, and then I'll just pull it and I'll have those semi-started frames for next year. I don't know if they'll actually do anything, but we can pop open a couple tops back here and find out. So not really seeing any real progress, which doesn't really bother me. Well, there's a little something on this one. But overall, most of the bees are down below. So anyways, we'll leave that, let it do whatever. We'll get into the main part of this video. So this hive here, I was in 5 days ago, and I'm pretty worried about it. I don't think it has a queen. It was a hive that I made from a queen cell and some brood and some bees, and I seen that cell hatch out. I seen the queen, but I think she got killed on her mating flight, and this hive is going to be in decline. When I was in, I didn't see a single egg, larva, or brood, which is kind of bad. Well, it is bad, not kinda. There is someone who can ship me a queen overnight, and that's what I'm going to find out if I need. So what I did is I noted that all of them were mostly on one corner, and I'll bring you over. So I noted most of the bees were all on one side over here, and then there was a couple blank frames that didn't have any any wax drawn on them, any comb drawn. So I pulled them out and then stuck drawn comb in, because the ones that they were on were completely full of nectar. So they've put some more nectar in this one I just put in. By now I should be starting to see an an egg. But I also noted that they're kind of acting a bit strange. It's almost like they didn't want to even hardly stay in the box. So far nothing. I'm seeing most of the bees are over on this side, so we'll just work towards that way. I fear we're getting close to be making a laying worker. So that frame is completely empty, so if a queen was close, she could have laid in that if she's viable. Oh, sweat's just dripping off me. So far nothing. This frame's completely full of nectar. I see there's a cell over here. It's capped. Could be a queen cell, but it's really the only cell. Like, there's no other what am I trying to say? There's no other brood or egg, or it's just weird that there's one random cell. Does look like a queen cell, but so even if I do see a queen, I may consider replacing her. Nice frame here for them to use. Some old bees. The reason I don't make her a queen, or don't give them brood or eggs for them to make a queen, is because we're running out of time. It's probably going to be about 6 weeks before I could have a queen raised up and laying, which just isn't an option. So another frame of just more or less nectar. So I need to reduce the entrance on this thing so that they're not able to get robbed. There's still lots of bees, it's just we need brood. So I'm thinking once I have a queen, once I buy a queen, you can see they're all just sitting there, either eating or... Yeah, I think this hive has no queen. So my plan is I'll order a queen and I'll try and tape that. What am I, 90? Film that. I'll try and card that. So by now, if there was a laying queen and I added these frames, we'd have larva size, and we're seeing nothing. And I'm not seeing a queen. I'm usually pretty good at finding her. Alright, so I'm going to order a queen. We'll put her in, and then from there I'll steal a frame of brood from someone, maybe two, and that way we'll have hopefully get this hive recovering. I'm going to reduce the entrance way back because they're going to be dying bees. So, yeah, come here. The population of this hive is in decline, so I need to give it bees, and I need a queen to start raising winter bees as well. Alright, I'm going to reduce it off and see what we can do here. You can see this hive is fending off robbers. See them fighting there. So I'm just going to put this entrance reducer in here. Somehow. I like how big that is. So now it's pretty reduced. They can only come basically in this one little corner. It's not my best reducer, but it's all I got at the moment. That way they'll be able to hopefully fend off all the robbers. And as for that pail I brought over, that's how busy it is already. Alright, thanks for joining me, guys. Quick video, but maybe you want to watch the progress, and if you it will name that hive. If you want to suggest a name for the queenless hive, feel free to comment below. As always, like, subscribe. Greatly appreciate that from all y'all, and we'll catch you on the next one.